everybody, welcome back to another episode of God of YouTube. So obviously we've been doing a few things on the allotment today. So we've been doing broad beans, more broad beans, and we've done some peas, some marigolds, and we've been doing some nasturtiums. We've also helped a few people on the site today because he's not been very well, so we've helped him do a bit of digging, a bit of TLC, and yeah, it's been a nice day as well. So yeah, that's just a bit about what we've been doing. And obviously my name is also Shane. I am the founder of God of YouTube. So this is obviously my shed that we're in now. And obviously I own my part of the allotments, which I rent off Birmingham City Council. Obviously you've seen all the other YouTube, so we've got obviously one about, well, I think there's more than one about the pond. We've done one, or maybe quite a few, about the two different polytunnels, and obviously what we've planted inside the greenhouse.
I'm sorry, I'm just going to have to interject because you've mentioned for pond. There's going to be one video that someone's going to mention.
Ah.
What video do you think is going to get mentioned? You've mentioned pond. What's linked to the pond?
Yeah, the frogs.
The good old frog video.
The frogs, yeah. So yeah, there was quite a lot of people who liked that one. So
that wasn't even a main video either.
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. So yeah, so that's just a bit about me, and obviously it's a little bit about what myself and obviously Bailey's done as well today. And obviously, yeah, there he is. There's Bailey.
Hiding in the background.
And obviously a little few bits and bobs about what we've done obviously in the past as well. So
we'll just cover it just in case people are wondering. Why aren't you currently stood outside, Shane? Why can't people see your allotment?
We're not currently stood outside at the moment. One, because it's dark, and obviously two, it is absolutely freezing. So my cameraman Michael is going to obviously film this now, and then we'll probably do another one and head off home. As I literally, as you can see, I've got my hands in my pockets because I'm that cold. So yeah, so guys, as I say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and obviously if you've got any comments, don't forget to link them down below, and I shall see you all soon. Take care guys, see you next time.